If you're looking for dog crates 24-inch, here's a collection you've got to see. Top 10 Most Popular Dog Crates 24-inch. Number 1, Most Popular, by Midwest Homes for Pets. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, by Amazon Basics. Number 3, by Midwest Homes for Pets. For more details about these products, just click this circle. Number 4, by Casual Home. Number 5, by OxGord. Find these dog crates 24-inch at up to 70% off by clicking the description below. Number 6, by Midwest Homes for Pets. Number 7. Click the circle to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8, by Precision Pet. Number 9, by Midwest Homes for Pets. Discover more dog crates 24-inch ideas and items to explore. Click the circle in the corner. Number 10, by Smith Built Crates.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.